Hello children, today we'll do exercise on chapter 4, the Mesopotamian civilization. So first one is the tower with a temple on its top was called dash. It is ziggurat. Second one, dash were the centers of economic activities and it is temples. Third one, the hanging gardens were located in dash. It is Mesopotamia. Fourth one, most of the buildings in Mesopotamia were made of dash bricks. It is baked mud bricks. Fifth one, the invention of dash by the Sumerians revolutionized transport. Answer is wheel. B. Match the followings. First one, hanging garden of Babylonia is matching with architecture wonder. Second one, Mesopotamia is matching with land between two rivers. Third one, Hammurabi is matching with code of laws. Fourth one, Dingir is matching with C, god or goddesses. Fifth, library is matching with A, Tello, Sumeria. C is right, true and false for the following. First one, the Mesopotamian civilization emerged in East India. It is a false statement. Second one, Hammurabi founded the first Sumerian empire. It is also false statement. Third one, there was a big library at Ur in Sumeria. It is a false statement. Fourth, the scripts wrought on clay tablets with stylus is true statement. Fifth one, the king of Uruk, Gilgamesh, is presented as superhuman in the Epic of Gilgamesh. It's true statement. Next is D. Answer the following questions in 20 to 30 words. First one, where did Mesopotamian civilization developed and why? Answer is the Mesopotamian civilization was developed in present days West Asia, Mesopotamia, the first city which came up and writing was developed. Even they were excellent in the fields of science, mathematics and law. Second question is, name the four regions which contributed to the development of Mesopotamian culture. Answer is, Mesopotamia consisted of four main regions: Sumer, Akkad, Babylonia and Assyria. Third question is, name some important rulers of Mesopotamia. Answer is, the important Mesopotamian rulers who built empires include Ur-Nammu, king of Ur, Sargon, who established the Akkadian kingdom, Hammurabi, who established the old Babylonia state. Fourth question, who were the main gods of Mesopotamia? Answer is, the main god of Mesopotamia were An, the god of sky, Enlil, the god of air, Enki, the god of water, and Nirusaga, the mother goddesses of earth. Fifth question is, what is cuneiform? The word picture symbols of Sumerian language developed into wedge-shaped signs. This type of script was called cuneiform. Now next, E. Answer the following questions in 50 to 60 words. First one, describe the main features of Hammurabi's code of law. Answer is, the code brought about a culture of strict justice in Mesopotamia. Severe penalties were awarded to criminals and negligent public officials. The penalty varied according to the social class of the convict. Second question, write a note on the acknowledgements of the Mesopotamian civilization. Answer is, the influential cuneiform script was invented in Mesopotamia. Second one, they enacted the earliest code of conduct, well known as Hammurabi's legal code. Third one, they were credited for the invention of the wheel. Fourth one, they produced impressive work in art and architecture. Fifth, they could perform advanced arithmetic calculation and Western astronomy. Third question, describe the acknowledgements of the Mesopotamians in astronomy. Answer is, the Mesopotamians were very much interested in mathematics and astronomy. They built observatories on ziggurats. Among notable observatories was the one on ziggurat at Menanke in Babylon. Fourth question is, explain how temples were the center of economic activities in Mesopotamia. Answer is, temples were center of economic activities in Mesopotamia. Every economic activity, included trade, was controlled by temple priests. Farmers also used to bring their produce to the temples. Fifth question, what were the causes of the decline of Mesopotamian civilization? And the answer is, the main causes of the decline of Mesopotamian civilization were Sumerian civilization ceased to exist by 2000 BCE. There were overcrowding in the cities, which led to major population problems. Due to lack of indoor toilets and improper garbage disposal led to contaminated water and frequent epidemics. That's all for today's class. I hope you liked the class. We'll meet in next class. Thank you and have a very good day.